Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 2, leçon M, and in this lesson we'll work on vocabulary and then the vocabulary connected to la famille, so the family, la famille, and then we'll start with the grandparents, les grands-parents, les grands-parents. Remember, you don't pronounce this final S here, grands-parents, okay? So, le grand-père, grandfather, le grand-père, remember, accent grave like that, it's this open père, le grand-père, le grand-père. And then the feminine form, grandmother, la grand-mère, la grand-mère. Okay, so les grands-parents, le grand-père, la grand-mère. Okay, so let's see now the parents. Les parents, le père, the father, le père, la mère, the mother, la mère. Okay, so les parents, the parents, le père, la mère. All right, so till now, I think that it's not really difficult to remember. Okay, let's see now les enfants. Okay, so first I don't make the liaison, les enfants, just for you to see that we've got this en and then we've got this en as well, same pronunciation here, enfant. Don't pronounce the T, you don't pronounce the S, enfant. Okay, and now we can focus on the liaison here, so you should make the little link, les enfants, les enfants. Okay, enfants, children, les enfants, the children. So let's see, it will be the masculine form, so the son. Okay, so it's le, and then even if you've got this L, well, basically you don't pronounce it, and then strangely you pronounce the final S, le fils, le fils, le fils, le fils. And then the feminine form, the daughter, la fille. Yeah. Okay, so this L here and will give you the sound y. La fille, la fille. Okay, so make the difference between the masculine form, le fils, and then the feminine form, la fille. Okay, so les enfants, le fils, la fille. Okay, and then the grandchildren, but then in French we use the petit is like small. Okay, so les petits enfants, make this liaison here, petits enfants. Okay, les petits enfants, so grandson would be in French petit fils. Okay, so le petit fils, and then the feminine form, la petite. So I insist because here it's t. Okay, so really you need to make the difference between the masculine form petit and then the feminine form petite. Okay, so la petite fille, la petite fille. So let's repeat them. Les petits enfants, le petit-fils, la petite fille. Okay? And then, when you're talking about your in-law family, well, in French we use this beau and belle, so it's beautiful, okay? So, the beautiful family, you're talking about your in-laws, okay? So, la belle famille, la belle famille. Remember, I-L-L-E, I, la belle famille, okay? So, père, okay, father, so father-in-law, okay, in French it's le beau-père, the beautiful father, le beau-père. So remember this A-U combination of vowels only give you the sound O, beau, okay, le beau-père. Mother-in-law, la belle-mère, la belle-mère. Okay, so let's see them one more time. La belle famille, le beau-père, la belle-mère. All right? And then brother-in-law, le beau-frère, le beau-frère, le beau-frère. So frère is brother, okay? And then feminine form, here you get sœur, okay? So sister-in-law, la belle, so we put the belle form here because it's the feminine form, sœur, la belle-sœur, la belle-sœur. That's it for the family. It was leçon M, okay, so be careful, and then you can find the next lesson there. Hopla, that's the website, or that's the channel on YouTube where you can find the lessons, okay, and then this is the website where you can find more material. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.